If you've been earning sweat coins and want to turn them into real cash you can actually spend, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through step by step how to transfer your Sweatcoin earnings into Cash App so you can use them instantly. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss the one step that most people get wrong. First, open the Sweatcoin app. It's the one with the broken S icon on a blue background. Swipe right on the tracking screen if you're on Android, or tap the marketplace icon at the bottom left if you're using an iPhone. This will take you to the marketplace where all the rewards are listed. Look for the PayPal reward option. If you don't see it, don't panic. It sells out quickly, so check daily until it appears. You'll usually need at least 20,000 sweat coins to redeem this offer. Once you see it, tap on the PayPal reward and read the How to Claim section carefully. Follow those instructions exactly. This usually involves confirming via email. When you're ready, tap Buy to redeem your sweat coins. After completing the steps, the cash will be sent to your PayPal account. Now let's move that money into Cash App. Open your PayPal app and tap your PayPal balance. If you haven't linked your bank account, go ahead and do that now. You'll need it. Tap Transfer, then Transfer to Bank. You can choose Instant Transfer, which takes just minutes, or Standard Transfer, which takes 1 to 3 days. Once the money hits your bank, open Cash App, tap the money icon in the bottom left, then tap Add Cash. Choose the amount you want, tap Add, and just like that, your Sweatcoin money is now in your Cash App balance. And that's it. You've successfully turned your steps into spendable cash on Cash App. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more quick money tips, and check the description for any extra resources or links.